nice. So it's almost midnight and this city never sleeps. There's literally a traffic jam at this point. Wow. What a sight, man. So we're at the iconic Britannia & Co restaurant. I'm going to show you the restaurant from inside, of course. Oh man, I have waited for this for a while. This place is an absolute legend. So Britannia was absolutely iconic. You feel like you've taken a step back, literally a step back. So what I was saying was, Britannia, you just feel like you're in history. Literally, it was established in 1923. But thankfully, it has never been, or at least it looks like it's never been renovated. We had a great experience. It's our first day here. We've already experienced Britannia. We're off to Chor Bazaar next. Frankly, I am a little intimidated. But what an experience, man. What we're trying to get to is Mutton Street, and they sell old Bollywood movie posters. So that's what we're going for. If you guys thought America or Canada was chaotic, you have to come here. It's going to blow your Western minds off, no offense. Everything in this great nation relies on a lot of faith. Faith in, I don't know what, but a lot of faith. My fascination level, I don't know if you can even hear me, but my fascination level is unreal. Shey, 98 है. आपका वीडियो लूँगा मैं. स्टार बन जाओगे, स्टार.
जो भी डालना पर कालिया नाम से डालना.
क्या बना रहे हो बताओ एक बारी हमें.
बन मस्का बना रहे हैं.
बन मस्का. खाने का. हाँ, चाय भी रख दो. चाय बनी हुई है क्या? As chaotic as it is, things just have a way of working themselves out. There's honking. There's millions of people. But it just works. Very fascinating. We are at Ashok Vada Pav. It's one of the most popular Vada Pav centers in all of Bombay. So I'm told that they make about 80 to 100 vada pavs in one batch, and I'm getting about 6. It's crowded morning through evening. God, look at that street.
बड़ा है मुझे.
जो दो इधर है वो स्पाइसी.
दो खाने के लिए. दो स्पाइसी चाहिए, खाली मीठा नहीं. मीठा मेरे को दे दो. इसमें मिक्स. अगर मीठा चाहिए.
This vada pav is worth all its hype. So fucking tasty. It was unbelievable. Beautiful. What a vada pav. We're in a residential area and there's an event. The only thing is we have no idea what the event is. There's a live band. There's going to be some food as well, which we're going to wait for.
पुन्हा एकदा आपल्या सोसायटीमध्ये सर्व रहिवाशांना विनंती करतो की आपण लवकरात लवकर यायचं.
We should try and find what the event is all about. Like what are they celebrating? But they're just happy. Probably celebrating life.
इस संगीत का माहौल यहाँ पर सजने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार है. गुजारिश है आप सभी से आइए और इस पूरे प्रोग्राम का लुत्फ उठाइए. सारा जहां उसी का है जो मुस्कुराना जानता है, रोशनी उसी की है जो शमा जलाना जानता है. हर जगह मंदिर मस्जिद निरासर तो है ही, पर ईश्वर तो उसी का है जो सर झुकाना जानता है.
They're basically celebrating a god, just not sure which one. More celebrations. The amount of colors you see. Every street has an insane amount of color. आपका नाम क्या है?
दिनेश.
कितने टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं?
यहाँ पे 3 महीने हो गए.
क्या बात है. Thank you. Shamefully, this is our second cup of chai of the entire day, so we need to catch up. That's the name of the Siddhivinayak tea and what is it?
Cold drinks.
Cold drinks, yes. It's the inside of a taxi.
1.5 घंटा लगेगा क्या? तो आपने खाना खाया? घर पे खाते हो?
खाना क्या, सब्जी रोटी दाल खाओ.
मच्छी वच्छी नहीं खाते?
मच्छी बहुत कम होती.
हाँ.
मटन मच्छी बहुत कम.
और चिकन?
चिकन तो बिल्कुल छोटा ही नहीं.
तो तीखा पसंद है कि हल्का?
हल्का हल्का.
और बच्चा लोग है घर में?
हाँ, बच्चे लोग हैं ना.
कितना बड़ा हो गया?
एक 15 साल की लड़की मेरी है.
अच्छा.
12 साल का एक बड़ा वाला है, एक छोटा वाला है.
Are you excited to go back home to Canada? I can tell you, it's hitting me that we only have 1 week to go.
Yeah, but I'm also excited. I'm excited for what's to come. Absorb everything and then channel it. So I'm excited.
There's already FOMO, you know, like we had only 3 days in Bombay and it's not enough. I'm not ready to go back. To cover 4.7 kilometers, it's going to take us 14 minutes, which,
That's not bad.
to be honest, is not terrible given today we were stuck on a single traffic light for about half an hour and the driver said it's extremely common.
एक मलाई एक
ऐसे ठीक होता है. गोलगप्पे का पानी और कुल्फी.
We are at Marine Drive and it is 10:45 p.m. So busy even at this hour. Anyway, something funny happened. We were going in for dinner and I saw this strawberry vendor. He had fresh strawberries from Mahabaleshwar. I just got curious and I asked him how much it was. And our table in the meantime got ready. So I'm like, I'm going to come back and I'll probably buy from you. And he was waiting outside for as long as we were finishing dinner. I ended up getting, what is a pav in
250 grams.
250 grams for 110 rupees, which is about $2. I wanted to say no to him because we didn't really want strawberries, but
When has that ever stopped you?
strawberries are nice, right? Hold on, there's more. See, nice. Fun stories of Bombay.
अच्छा अभी पूरी रात में.
Bombay, do you ever go to sleep? Oh man. वो देखो वहाँ पे कितना रश है. वो क्या चीज़ है?
सुख सागर होटल है. ऐसा लगता है फ्री में देता है वो. इतनी लंबी लाइन है.
हाँ. Couldn't have left Bombay without having pav bhaji. Every single person that's given me a recommendation, it has been for Sardar Pav Bhaji. I'm going to try and get some process video if they allow. Super excited.
रात को वीडियो लेने की लाइन लगता है.
अच्छा.
सब इधर से मोबाइल लेके खड़ा हो जाता है.
अच्छा. आपका क्या नाम है?
राजेश।
राजेश, कितने टाइम से शॉप है ये?
ये 1966 से
96 से। कि हम लोगों ने जितने लोगों से भी पाव भाजी के बारे में पूछा, सबसे पहले एक ही नाम आता है। बॉलीवुड के लोग आते हैं?
बहुत आता देश का आदमी जो नहीं आया हो यहाँ पे, पूरा वर्ल्ड का आदमी वही आ गया यहाँ पे।
हाँ। कितने साल से काम कर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
मैं 1994 से
94 से। वाह। तो इसमें ऐसे डिफरेंट क्या है जो बाकी?
ये मसाला जो है,
हाँ।
मसाला है बनाने का,
हाँ
पब्लिक को टेस्ट होता है।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
मसाला यही डालते हैं।
मसाला ये
अरे कि अभी ये बने खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर ये बनेगा।
ओके ओके।
मतलब रेडी है, अभी ये अच्छा है।
हाँ
मेहनत है ना, ज़्यादा मेहनत।
हाँ, ये तो हाथ काम कितना है। ये बन भी यही बनता है?
नहीं, बन आपको बिक्री जाता है। ऑर्डर देकर स्पेशल बन बनता है आपको। आपको ये बन से बिक्री भी नहीं मिलेगा।
स्पेशल आप ही के लिए।
हम लोग गैस यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, कोयले में बनता है सिकड़ी में।
ओके।
टेस्टी बनता है।
कहाँ पे रखना है? 7 पे या 6 पे बोलो तो नहीं। अच्छा 7 पे है जो। हाँ, ये वाली जगह 3 चीज़ है, 3 5 लाख रहने वाले।
There's always a line up here. We've just been waiting for about 10 minutes now and it's not that bad, but obviously it's really full. Don't want to go back. Don't want to go back to Delhi. You know what they say about home being a feeling more than anything else? We felt at home in Bombay. We also feel at home in Toronto, and so it literally is a feeling, right? Thank you. This is such a nice airport. I'm gonna miss you, Bombay. India has been great so far. This was a reset that we wanted after a long time struggling. Super common. This was a well-deserved break, and we only have one more week left in India. It'll all be Delhi, meeting friends. We haven't shopped at all so far. We do need to pick up a phone tomorrow.
I do need chai.
Chai will be happening once we land. We're on a big bird today. It's a Boeing 777. Flight's slightly delayed. Hopefully we'll be on our way very soon. Looks like everyone has boarded. Reached Delhi. Delhi. Hey Delhi.